There's going to be live role play calls. So this is going to be a perfect workshop for anybody who's trying to get rid of that fear of cold calling. It's going to be the perfect environment to grow together. So definitely don't want to miss it. Come grab a flyer. It's too much information, so just come grab a flyer at our team table. We'll be here all night. Thank you for your time.
Hi there, everybody. Good evening. I'm here with Extra Unit. My name is Taylor. Obviously, there is a ton of momentum behind ADUs right now, and we are a design-build company. So if you have a property that you're looking to increase the value of, build a home for your kids or your family, we do everything design-build in-house from beginning to end. So starting here, we would get onto your property with a free consultation that we would schedule today. We would come out completely free of charge, do a feasibility, look at your zoning laws, look at your budget, and present you with a proposal. And from there, we do everything in-house, like I said. So design, permitting, building, completely everything in-house. If you want to come see me at my booth, we're signing up for, like I said, the free consultations. We have appointments available this